that creation of that goes on for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, end of your sprint, you then have the working increment, which is you have this cover thing here. What will be the outcome on this place? Each day, where he says we have 15 minutes daily stand-up, everybody responsible, your developers, your testers, your scrum master, sometimes you might have your BAs in there. You all stand, everybody will stand to discuss how the iteration 2 weeks is going, how the development of this cup is coming, what are the issues you're finding, and all those kind of things. We just tailor. Your BA might just stand there to listen to what it is they're saying, just to be sure everything is working okay. Then you carry on. So once that 2 weeks is done, we then have this thing ready to say, which is then the shippable product in itself. We then have the shippable product to say, 2 weeks, we've created this, it's done, it's completed. There you go. Then you go to the next backlog. What's the next one? We need the base of this cup. It will then be discussed what is required within this base of this cup. It might be 5, 10 different things in order to have that base cup created. That will be discussed. That will go into the sprint planning. That's another 2 weeks. That is the expected shippable product. At the end of the 2 weeks, you should have the bottom bit going. So this is how it would carry on until
The whole package.
we have the whole package done.
Delivered.
Now, if I swap it in a different way, in sometimes you can have this as the last product created. So you can imagine if we started from the base, we started from the cup. By the time we have this can already go out to the public, saying it's shippable, it's usable, business can start getting money out of it. From what Bruce was saying is, as time goes on, we then get to this point of the thing, we're able to put the cover on in there. In the iteration bit, if we say, for example, we put this cup out there, we get feedback where it says, oh, we don't like this bit. When we touch it, we're hot. It burns our finger. So that comes back as a feedback. The BA looks at it as the feedback, would go back and say, okay, what are the other things we can use to make a better mode? When they do that, then that new requirement, which is like a feature, will go back into this backlog. And at some point, the new wrap cover will come through as a shippable product, which would then be updated onto this new cup.